शिवाय नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय विश्वेश्वराय शिव विश्वेश्वराय 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 हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। ॐ कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। कर्पूरगारं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसार सारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि।
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, सुप्रभात, नमस्कार। चलिए जल्दी से कैमरा ऑन कर लेंगे। स्विच ऑन योर कैमरास प्लीज। थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया। माय मेड वाज क्लीनिंग द रूम, सो आई हैड टू वेट फॉर हर टू फिनिश। Just switch on your camera first. Sit in your place. Sit in Shin Mudra, Sukhasan, Padmasan, Pat Padmasan, whichever is convenient for you. You can keep yourself unmuted so that anything comes up, you can talk from wherever you are. Okay? All right. So keep your hands on the knees. Make a Shin Mudra, means 3 fingers together, thumb and index finger together. Very nice. All right. Sit in a straight position. Backbone completely straight. Yes. Very good. Shoulders rolled back. Face towards me. Eyes closed. Long, deep breath. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Try to see your Agya Chakra with your closed eyes. Focus on your Agya Chakra. Agya Chakra is the point between the eyebrows where we put tilak, bindi. Try to focus on your Agya Chakra. Try to see it with your closed eyes while you are breathing in and breathing out. Sit in silence for a few seconds. Try to bring your mind to calm, to peace, balance. Make your mind balance. You can breathe in from the nose, breathe out from the mouth, or breathe in from the nose or breathe out from the mouth. Breathe out from the nose. Let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath. Make sure that your lungs are completely full with air and slowly breathe out. Make your lungs empty. And while breathing out, make a round of your lips and chant Om. Anytime you feel breathless, you take a pause and restart. Don't try to push too hard yourself while chanting Om. So let's start. Om. 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 Stay in the same position. Sit straight, backbone is straight. Let's chant Gayatri Mantra 3 times. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your palms together. Rub them together. Feel the heat and let it flow in your body, through your face, through your eyes. Slowly open your palms. Keep it in front of your face. Open your eyes and slowly look at your palms for a few seconds. And bring your hands down. Thank you everyone for joining today's session and being aware and taking care of your health. Chalo, I'll put some music on and we'll do a little bit of jogging and walking. All right. So around 3 to 4 minutes we'll do fast. You can do fast walking. You can do jogging. You can do little bit of movements of hands and legs. Okay. I'll guide and you can do it according to what I'm saying. According to that, you can follow. All right. So let's start. Stand in your place. So start with slight walking. Do not straight jump into jogging. So start with walking, then increase the speed of walking, and then when you feel comfortable to jog, then only you start jogging. Okay. If you have any knee related issues, do not do the jogging. Do not do any jumping exercises. All right. Let's start.
रामेश्वराय शिव रामेश्वराय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय। गंगाधराय शिव गंगाधराय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय गंगाधराय शिव गंगाधराय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय जटाधराय शिव जटाधरा हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय जटाधराय शिव जटाधरा हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय
Slow down. Breathe in from nose. Breathe out from mouth. Slow down. All right. Bend down. Relax. On each count, take a long deep breath and breathe out. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. Come back up. All right. Today we'll do mostly sitting postures, okay? And we'll do Shushma Kriya also while sitting. So let's just sit in your place. All right. Just sit, sit, sit quickly. Keep on breathing. Long deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. That will help you make your heart beating normalize. All right. Okay. So let's start rotating your head. So today we'll do everything sitting in the sitting posture. Hima, you can keep yourself unmuted. Hima, so that you can, when unless there is a noise or something you want to avoid, that's okay. Otherwise, you can keep it on. All right. Very nice. Chalo, start rotating your head. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the stretch. Do not do it in hurry. Feel the stretch. 5. Feel it all the way. 6. In each circle, breathe in, breathe out. 7. 8. You can keep your eyes open if you feel dizzy. 9 and 10. Reverse direction. 1, 2, When you come down, try to touch your chin with your chest. 3. When you go up, try to look as high as possible. 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest of your body remains stable, okay? Stationary. Don't move other body, only the neck. 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. All right. Up and down. When you take your head up, breathe in. When you bring it down, breathe out. And try to touch your chin with your chest. All right. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out. Breathe out. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in. Breathe out. 6. Feel the stretch. If you're not feeling the stretch, then that particular exercise is of no use. 8, 9, up, feel the stretch, and 10. Very nice. All right. You should feel the stretch in your neck. All right. So left and right. Look as behind as possible while not tilting your. You need not to tilt your head like this. Just tilt it. Just turn it. Don't tilt it. 1, 2. Left and right. 1 count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, very nice. So don't worry if you are little behind or little ahead of the count. Use count as a timer. Okay? You can do slow, you can do faster. You can do 8. While I am counting 10, you might have done 8 or 12. That is okay. All right, so try to touch the ear with your shoulder without bringing the shoulder up. Triveni, shoulder down. Yes. 1, 2. Feel the stretch on the side of the neck. 3. Continue. 4. Very nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very nice. See, when we are trying to lose our weight, right? So that time we tend to lose the weight faster from stomach, from hips, from rest of the body. But we get our neck and face. We tend to lose the weight very slowly. It doesn't go so easily. So that's why it's useful to do spot exercise. Spot exercise is particular for that particular portion. So for the neck, sometimes you will see when you gain fat, your neck also becomes fat, and there is no neck between the head and the face and the shoulder. Almost it's like gone. So we want to have good thin neck. So for that, specific exercise for the neck are very good. So whatever we did just now are specific. These ones are specific for the neck. So few more are there. So what we will do, we'll keep our hand like this on the chest. Keep it little below of your neck. Like this. Now what we will do, we'll tilt our neck on the other side. The hand is this side. So we'll tilt it other side. turn it other side, and then now tilt it towards up. So then you will feel the stretch on the left side, on the side of the neck. Hold it like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Did you feel the stretch right here from ear to shoulder? Like this, in this particular line. So now I'll watch you just do it. Put your hand on the chest. Turn your head on one side. No. 1 second. No, you are doing it wrong. So all of you. So turn it towards the other side. So this is the hand you are keeping on the chest. Head goes on the other direction. Uma, head goes to the other direction. Head goes to the other direction. No. Wait. Okay, no, not. Keep it like this. Then just turn the head. Don't take it behind. Just turn the head first. Turn the head. Once you have turned, now turning only you tilt. You tilt behind. Yes. Turn and tilt. You feel the stretch on the side of the neck. Right? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Other side, keep the other hand on the chest. Look towards the other side. And then tilt your head in the back. Feel the stretch right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your head back. Very nice. All right. So let's do some shoulder work. 1, 2. Keep your hands in place. 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel the stretch. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Opposite direction. Bring it forward. 1, 2, 3. Feel the stretch. If you are not feeling, you have to do more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So now hold both the neck up. Hold it up. Try to touch the lower edge of your ears with your shoulder. Sorry, did I say neck? No. Shoulder. Shoulders, bring it up and see if you can touch. If they are touching the lower edge of your ear, it will slightly touch. It will not touch much, but slightly may touch. For some people, it may touch. For some, it may not. Keep it like this. Hold it like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly bring them down. Slowly, don't bring it with a jerk. Slowly bring them down. If you do anything with a jerk, you may get harm than benefit. All right. So this is very good. So whoever is doing these neck exercises, one thing is certain that with age, you will not get spondylitis-like problems. All right. Because our neck will be very strong. All right. So hold your shoulder. One shoulder, just hold it, and the other shoulder, you move it. Okay? When we move it, our one shoulder also tend to move together, but we will hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the direction. Bring it forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax your shoulder. Change the position. Hold the other shoulder and move the first shoulder. 1, take it backward and stretch it. Feel the stretch. 1, 2. You need to remember your own direction. If you are doing it in the backward, do it in the forward later on. All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your head straight, Hima. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. Hands forward in front of your chest. Today you will not feel much of the cardio, okay? But if we are working on the flexibility of each part. So less cardio, but each part will be worked out. All right, so sit like this, hands in the front of the chest. Make a full turn, 1, full turn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to look as far as possible in the back. 8, 9, and 10. One more time. 10. Continue. 10, 9, 8. Look behind. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands down. Relax. Very nice. All right. So now we'll do some handwork. Triveni, you will do the counting. So we'll do as much as Triveni is able to do. Whatever Triveni is able to make us do, that much we will do. All right. We'll try to do that. We'll try to keep up with her. All right, Triveni, chalo. 1. Counting shuru. Yeah, start.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Hands straight.
7,
Hima, hands straight.
8, 9, 10,
Very good.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
All right, relax. Thank you so much. Very nice. See, if Triveni can do, then Hima can also do. All right. Next time. All right, relax. Relax your arms. If you're feeling any shoulder pain, press your shoulders. All right. So now Uma will do the counting. How much ever Uma is able to make us do, we will do. All right. Uma, oh, you are on mute, Uma. All right. So we'll do this one. Hands up. Hima, try to keep your hands when you take it up, right? Your hands remain bent like this. Hima, I'm talking to you. Actually,
Yeah.
Hima and Uma are sounding same. Got it, Hima?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you take your hands up, don't try to keep it like this. When you were doing like this, you were doing this. Try to keep it straight and try to touch your arms with your ears. All right. Chalo. Next one. This one we are going to do. 1, 2. Uma counting. No sound. Thoda louder. Louder.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very nice. Super fast train.
Yeah.
All right. Very nice. Chalo. If you're feeling pain, just relax yourself. Press your arms. Very good. Uma ने तो super fast train चला दिया.
I'm so sorry.
Very good. All right. Chal. Now hands like this. Palms pulled towards yourself. Pull your palms towards yourself. Feel the stretch in this area. In this area. In this area. All right. Hima, your chance of counting. So whatever Hima is able to make us do today. All right. So do the counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
All right, relax, relax. Oh, you were able to do more, huh? Okay, again, change the direction. Direction change.
1,
Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very nice, beautiful. So when we are doing, when I ask someone to do, they feel the sense of responsibility. We have done at least sabko karana hai. We have to make everyone do, so at least do 20. Huh? One side we have done 20 second, other side we have to do 20, right? You don't have a chance. When you are doing, you don't have a chance to quit. Right?
Yeah.
All right, very nice. Chalo, hands up. Both hands up. All right, both hands up. Hold them together. 1, 2, 3. Try to touch the back of your head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Continue. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Very nice. Relax your hands, bring them down. Very nice. All right. Triveni, palms up, palms down. Counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Very good.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Very
21,
good.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very nice. Beautiful. Very good. All right. So anytime you feel too tired in sitting cross-leg, you spread your legs, relax your body, okay, and then bring them back. You might feel little bit blood circulation is low if you are sitting cross-leg continuously. So you can bring them, straighten them, and then bring them back. All right. Chalo. So now, try to straighten your head. Hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 11, 12, 13. Bend as much as possible. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very nice. All right, relax, relax, relax. So now what we will do full body movement. Okay, try to keep your eyes open. You may feel dizzy if you have a tendency of feeling dizzy. Okay, if you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. So full body movement, full upper body movement means what we will do, we'll go all the way back as much as possible, and then we'll make a one big full circle. Go all the way down, sideways. 1, without falling. 1, 2, as low as possible. 3, when you go back, go all the way, try to go maximum you can go. 4, 5, feel the pressure on your stomach as well. 6, 7, 8, 9, one last one, and 10. Relax. Change the direction. 1, 2, go all the way back in the sides. 3, make a bigger circle, as big as possible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. Come forward. Always sit with your backbone straight. All right. Straighten your backbone. Yes. Now what we'll keep? We'll keep one hand on the floor. Like this. So hand from elbow to palm remains on the floor. Can we bend it this much? Yes. And like the fingers towards fingers in the front. All right, fingers in the front. Like hand will not be like this. Hand is not like this. Hand is like this, straight. All right, and bend as much as possible and hold it. Hold it like this. Feel the stretch in your entire side from lowest point to shoulder. Feel the stretch. Keep it like this. Try to straighten your hand. Triveni, try to straighten your hand. Hand straight, hand, yeah. Hand straight, yes. Bend and hand straight. Keep it like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly you have to come back. Do not do with a jerk, otherwise you may feel pain. Okay, slowly come back. Slowly come back. If you do fast, you may get a sprain here. Okay, so do it slowly. Now keep the other hand on the floor and take other hand and bend it as much as possible. Try to, while keeping your hand straight, hold it like this. 8, 7, 6. Feel the stretch on the entire side of the body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hand down. Slowly come back up. Hima, we are not bending forward, okay? So, when you were going sideways, you were tending to bend forward. Okay, so keep your body sideways. Then only you will feel that stretch on the side of the body. All right, relax. Come back up. All right, so now we'll keep both hands in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your eyes open. 7. Look behind. 8, 9, 10. Continue. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Relax. Very nice. All right. So let's try to touch our opposite ear and opposite knee. So can we touch our knee and the ear together? The one which we are supposed to? Yes. Yes. All right. So let's do that. Try to touch ear with the opposite knee. Hold it there. Keep it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your neck up slowly. You should do this slowly. If you do faster, then you may get a sprain in the neck. All right, so do it. I want to see. Correct. Uma, correct. Triveni, correct. Hima, I am not able to see you fully, so not very sure. Very nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Very nice. All right. Hima, can you, but I'm seeing lot of space, extra space on top of you. So is it possible to tilt a little bit?
That's good.
Just a little bit, yeah. Good, good, very good. Yes, just keep it like this. No, Umaz, you are fine. I can see you fine.
No, I was just making you see the bottom part, so I was just bending a bit.
Okay, all right. So now it is better. Yeah. So let's try it now. This time we will do continuous. Don't keep. If you have any tendency of feeling dizzy, don't close your eyes. Okay. So let's start. 1. Come back up. 2. Breathe normally. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Bring yourself up. Very nice. All right. Both hands up. Both hands up. So when we put our hands up, so look at my hands. Can you see? So there is no gap. So we'll try to touch our entire palm together like this. So generally we do this like this, but we will do like this. When we go up, all the way up. Let me change the angle. I think this is better. Yeah. And anytime you feel pain in the legs, straighten them, relax them. All right. No need to sit in the pain. Okay. All right. So now hands up. You can see my palms together. Palm should be together, fingers and entire palm together, and straighten your hand. Yes. 1. Bring them down while they are touching completely. Complete hands are touching each other. All right. Without go as high as possible, but make sure that entire palm is touching each other. Okay. Go up, hands straight. Then 2. Go up, hands straight. 3, without moving the palms. Go up, feel the stretch in your stomach. There should be so much going up that you should feel the stretch. 5, very nice. 6, feel the stretch. 7, palms touching each other. 8, 9, make sure your backbone is straight. Go up, touch your ears and bring them down. 10, relax your hands. Very nice. All right. Can we try to sit in either Ardha Padmasana, Purna Padmasana or Sukhasana? Okay. Sukhasana is the easiest position if you can sit in Ardha Padmasana, but make sure that you should not have any knee problem. If you have any knee problem, then I do not suggest you to sit in Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, even Sukhasana. All right. If you are normal knees, then you should sit in. Then you should try any of these asanas. All right. So Padmasana, I am sitting in Ardha Padmasana. Maybe I'll sit in Purna Padmasana for today. So this is Purna Padmasana. All right. So now bring your hands up, Parvatasana. Hold it up. Hold it up and stretch yourself up as if somebody is pulling you from the top. Keep it like this. Feel the stretch in entire body from hips to arms, underarms. Feel the stretch. Feel the stretch in your hands also. Keep it like this. Feel the stretch. Parvatasana, hold it like this. 8, 7, 6. Feel the stretch in your stomach. 6, 5. Hama straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. In fact, my palms opened in the later stage. All right, one more time. Stretch yourself up. Remember that palm should not open. My palms opened at the end. but I forgot. So keep your palms together, hands together, Parvatasana. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and bring your hands down. Very nice. If you want to change the position, you can change the position. Alright. Hands like this. Paksh both hands towards your both hands in the front, palms towards the front, and then we'll move it with a little jerk. Okay, not too much, but little. You can see me. 1. Let me go forward. 1. So when you go with little jerk, your body pushes you back. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, just 1 second. Stop. Just watch me first. Okay, there is a slight difference what you guys are doing, what I am telling. Okay, so just watch me first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? The difference you are able to make out? Yes. See what you are doing 1 and then 2, then 3, like this. What I am saying, Paksh Chakrasana means as if the birds are hitting each other. So when they will hit with a force. 1, 2, 3. You see my hands having a little jerk. So do it with a slight jerk. Alright, let's do it. Do it. 1, yes. 2, yes, very good. 3, do it, Triveni. 4, 5. What happened, Triveni? 6.
Connectivity issue.
7, 8, 9. Yes, very good. And 10. Relax. Very nice. All right. We'll do Kodasana. What we need to do? Palms towards the floor. Now palms remain towards the floor and 180-degree angle and look up. 1, 2, make a 180-degree angle between the hands. 2, 3. Look at your palm which goes in the sky. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax your hands. Bring your hands and put it in front of you. Put it the palms on the floor. Okay, palms on the floor. Sit any asana you like to sit. Put it in front of you. Make sure that backbone is straight. It can be tilted but not bent. So there's a difference between tilted. Let's say this is my backbone. This is called tilted. Okay, but this is called bend. So we don't want to bend like this. We can tilt it like this. So this is called tilted, and if I sit like this is called bend. So keep your backbone straight while keeping your hands on the floor, and then walk with your floor as far as possible for you. Go all the way. If it is possible to touch the floor, touch the floor. If not possible, no worries. Okay. So go all the way up. After reaching the maximum position, stay there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and walk back with your fingers. All right. I was also doing, so I could not see you guys. All right. So do it one more time, and I will see if you are able to reach to the floor. Do it one more time. Keep your hands in the front. Yes. Walk with your fingers. Walk with your fingers. Look at your hands. Look at your hands. Yes. And go Go as low as possible. Keep it there. Maximum. After reaching maximum position, stay there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Bring your hands back towards yourself. All right. Very nice. So our bodies are different. Okay. So right now you were not able to bend too much. So slowly you will be able to do it. Our bodies are different. Our each of us body's requirement is different. So your body's requirement is right now not what my body's requirement is. So everybody's according to what we where we are, in what state we are. So that is what our requirement is. I'll tell you one incident that happened. So what happened recently, I was getting a lot of allergies and a lot of aches and pains. Not aches and pains, but mostly allergies. Morning I was getting up with allergies. So I went to one Ayurvedic doctor and he told me, you are not doing workout. And I was like, morning till evening, I'm doing 4 hours of workout, three hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. Still, he's saying that you are not doing workout. Your body needs, because you are not burning protein. He said you are eating protein, but you are not burning it. I was thinking, how can he say that? But then what I realize is that even after 3 hours of morning yoga sessions, 3 back-to-back morning yoga sessions I don't feel tired. That means my body requires more, because I don't sweat, I don't feel tired. So I need to do much more, because my body, it's like medicine. You start eating some medicine, right? And it stops. It's not a perfect example. It's a bad example though, but it suits well. So whenever you start taking medicine, after some time you realize that medicine stop working for you, right? Some headache medicine or painkiller or antibiotics. So same way exercise, I'm doing more my body want. So this is what is happening. So my body is requiring more than what I'm providing. So even 4 hours I'm doing slow yoga, but my body requires more cardio. So I have to again do a treadmill for 1 hour. Then I feel sweat and then I feel it, okay, it's working out. So each of us bodies are different. We currently where we are, depending upon that, we need to do the workout. All right. So we cannot do too much workout if your body doesn't require. If you do too much workout, then what will happen? You will fall sick. All right. Chalo. Sit straight in front. And we'll do Pavan Muktasan. One last one. Straighten your legs. Straighten your legs. Straighten both of your legs. Let's do Dandasana first. Keep your hands next to your thighs and try to touch your palms with the floor. It's okay if your hands are little smaller, then you may not be able to touch the floor. Okay. So make sure your backbone is straight. Your palms are on the floor. Now pull your foot towards you. Feel the stretch. Feel the pain. Feel the ache in your calf muscle. You should have pain in your calf muscle. You should feel it. Hima, pull it towards yourself. Pull it towards yourself. Yes. Feel the pain in the calf muscle. Hold it there. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Pull it towards opposite direction. Pull it towards opposite direction. Keep it like this. Maximum stretch. If you have a tendency of having cramp, then don't do this. Okay? If you have the cramp tendency in the foot. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your legs. All right. Now bring your leg next to you. Push it towards yourself. Push it towards yourself. Bring it as closer as possible. And feel the push in your stomach. Pavan Muktasan. Hold it like this while keeping your back straight. Back should be straight. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Leave your leg like, straighten your leg and bend the other leg. Okay. So right now your leg may go little bit sideways. If you have lot of fat on your stomach, leg will go sideways. That is okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. Slowly it will come in the center. Now hold it like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax your leg. Now both legs together. Little difficult. Especially Hima, for you it will be little difficult, but let's try to do it. Okay. Both legs together and Hold them together. Straighten make sure that your backbone is completely straight. Hima, you do as much as possible. Hold it like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly leave your hands. All right. Sit. Sit in Sukhasana. Come back in Sukhasana. Everyone okay? Uma okay?
Yes.
Yes. Triveni okay? Hima?
Yeah,
So is it Hima or Hema?
Hema.
Hema. Okay. All right, Hema. So Hema, try to how do I say that? Try to when you come to this session, right? So you do come, but your mind doesn't come fully.
Yeah.
Yes.
Lot of things going.
Lot of things are going on. I can see that. I can read it on your face. Okay. So slowly try to bring your mind also here. Forget for few. This is your time. Okay. Just think this is my time. I do not want any disturbance, distraction. I do not want to think about kids. I do not want to think about husband. I do not want to think anything else. Okay. This is my time. I want to only take care of my body. This is my body's time. I am giving this time to my body. ठीक? So try because that will help you in other times also. Like if you are able to focus 1 hour onto yourself, rest of the day it will help you to focus on the things that you need to do. Okay. So we have to learn to control our mind. Okay. So try that. Try to focus whatever we are doing, just focus on that. I can read it on your face that you have a lot of things going on in your mind, right?
No, it's just that I have a hard stop at 10:30. My office call begins at 10:30, so it's
Okay.
just that.
Okay, then we'll just close it. Okay. And anytime you feel that time is over, then you yourself, what you can do, you can last asana, you can skip.
Yeah.
Okay, if we are going over time, last asana you skip, you sit aram se, you can sit aram se, you just sit and then just chant Om 3 times and quit and leave.
Oh.
No issues. Okay. Just close it and leave. Okay,
Oh.
don't worry. Yeah, because while in stress, doing it in stress is not useful. Okay. All right. So I didn't know that you have an office, so we'll close it little sooner. All right. So let's just sit straight. Let's chant Om 3 times. Take a long deep breath. Om. Keep your eyes closed. Bring your palms together. Rub them together. Let the energy flow to your body, through your face, through your eyes. Put your hands on your face. Rub them on the face. One more time. Rub your hands together, rub your palms together, and let the energy flow to your rest of your body. Feel grateful for your body. Feel thankful, respect, take care of your body. Thank you, God, for showing this beautiful and wonderful day. Slowly open your eyes. All right. Chalo, with laughter, we'll just close this session. One big laughter. Okay, 3 times. Very nice. Those are clapping. Back side of the palm. Sideways. Very nice. And the wrist. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Have a
Thank you
happy
all.
and
Thank
thank
you.
you so
Have a
much.
great day. Bye
Take
bye.
care. Bye. Bye.